chicas y chicos, welcome to my channel. It's Grifa Beauty and I got another wig review for you guys. So this unit was sent to me by SAMSBEAUTY.com. Shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit. You guys should check them out. They offer a lot of affordable wigs and they have very competitive prices. Reviewing today is another one of Stylist. And this is a 13 by 6 pre-plucked invisible lace, and it's 100% human hair master blend. So I did a review last week on BRIANNA, and this one is on Isis. So it's like a cute curly hair. I got her in the color Balayage Mocha, and she is a neutral HD. So with the Stylist wigs, you get to pick if you want like a translucent lace or a brown lace, and I got the translucent one, which is called neutral. So here she is, you guys, straight out the package, and she is pretty, you guys. It's like a layered, some of them are shorter, and then it's really long. I don't believe it says how long. It has ear-to-ear lace with a 13 by 6 parting space, the 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, the elastic band, and then the adjustable elastic straps. So yeah, guys, I'm not really gonna talk too much. Let's just see how she looks. So you guys are interested to see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. Also, like I always say, please hit the like button. This does really take effort, so you know, I would really appreciate it, a like at least. Or a sub if you guys are feeling extra friendly, you know. Go ahead and be my homegirl.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with
So
you.
yeah, this is my final look for the Stylist's Icy in the color Balayage Mocha, and she is fucking beautiful, you guys. Like, this is like the perfectest, the most perfectest like curl and hair color. And bro, like, I've never had a unit that is curly, this type of curl, that is a synthetic that doesn't tingle. Like, bro, this is like the silkiest human hair synthetic blend I have ever felt. Like, you guys cannot tell me these curls ain't it. Like, you guys cannot tell me. Yo, and then look at this HD lace. Like, it's killing it. Like, I've been sleeping on the Stylist. I have not seen a lot of reviews on them. I mean, it's the perfect density for curls. Like, bro. And you can part her anywhere, so you can basically make this an updo as well. Like, bro. Ooh, I didn't glue her down on this side, so that's gonna come off, but like, you could just, you know, picture it. Like, you guys need to go get this. And it comes in a lot this WIG card doesn't have like the colors, but they have like the most neutral one, and it looks like human hair like so much. It feels like straight out the box it did look a little wiggy, but just running your fingers through it, I guess you could keep fluffing her and making her look more natural as you like go. But I feel so cute. Like, I'm gonna wear this one out for sure, cause this HD lace is not plain. Like, you do not have to pluck this one at all. Like, it even gives like a little, you know, natural hairline. They're killing it. Now, I'm not sure about the price. I will leave it somewhere here in the screen if you guys are interested. I will also link her down in the description box if you guys are interested in this unit. And then let me know what you guys think, bro, because I'm in love. Like, damn, the stylist. Where you been at all my life? Because you guys know I love curly hair. Like, curly hair is like one of my favorites. Like, of course, you guys can part her anywhere. I decided to part her on the side because I didn't want to glue this side. Like, I think I messed this side up, so I didn't want to like fuck with this side. So, but imagínate, güey, mira. What the fuck? This hair is it. This hair is it, y'all. You guys need to run and go get this one before they sell out, because if people start wearing these and word gets out, these are gonna be sold out. They should be sold out. Like, yeah, you guys, so I'm not gonna make this any longer because I still have to make my reel and edit and take pictures of this. But for real, I'm so excited about this unit, you guys. I'm so glad I got this to make this review for you guys, because you guys need to know about this unit. You guys need to know about this unit. This unit is, I have no cons. I mean, obviously I haven't wore her out. It does feel like she is gonna get hot. I don't know about, again, this synthetic does not feel like a synthetic that's gonna get nappy on you. Now, I don't know about the wear because this is my first time trying her on and looking at her. But like I told you, sometimes you could tell right away the texture of the synthetic, if it's gonna last longer, if it's gonna get really frictiony. And this one doesn't feel like it's a frictiony type of synthetic. So you guys, I am so excited. Where did that come from? You guys, I'm just too excited. But damn, bro, like, look at the length on this one. Imagine this one in like a dark color, like a number 2. No, but this one's it. Shit. Well, anyways, I love you so much. You guys so much for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. So again, thank you so much. Bye.